Hello, my name is Amarinder Singh. I am a iOS developer. Today we will learn how to localize the string in SwiftUI. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, we have one Hello World application where we have a text with hello and with hello Amarinder. Okay, so first of all, we have to go into our project info, and here we have options for localizations, right? By default there is a English and base. Okay, now let's add here where we want to add in our application, right? Okay, so let me add here. Okay, Punjabi. Okay. Okay, so here we have a Punjabi, and let's add here a Gurmukhi Punjabi. So okay, so we edit. Okay, so now we have to go here and create new file called string. Okay, so where here we have to add a string file, string legacy file called is localizable. Okay, here we have to select the localize. Okay, localize, and here we will select English and Punjabi, right? Okay, let's add our string here. Let me add here hello, hello comma Amrinder. Okay, it's in English, so I'll add here as it is, right? Okay, here we also create a key and value. Okay, key and value, and here we have to add our localized string, right? Okay, so let's select here. Okay, let's convert hello Amrinder into Punjabi and copy. Okay, let me add here. Okay, so we are done with our key, which text we want to localize into our required language, right? So now here, if you can see, here we have some text called hello Amrinder, right? So let's create one extension, new file, Swift file. We call this as a string plus extension. Okay, we call this string plus extension, right? Okay, so here we create one extension string, and here we create one variable called localized. Okay, so here localizable, localized as a string, it will return as a string. And let's add here a path equals to bundle. Okay, let's create here one function instead of this localized. Okay, it's a so basically here we need a code for our language. We call this as a language code. Okay, as a string, in which language we want to convert this string, right? Return type also a string. Okay, let's return here a string, ns localized string. Okay, here we have a key is equal to self, and now we add an empty comment, but here we add one basically bundle, right? Because the bundle is our from which file we want to pick the text, right? Okay, let's add here bundle from the path. So here we need a path. Let path equals to bundle dot main dot here we have to select the for resource of type, right? Okay, so here we have a language code, and then of type here we select L project. Okay, so it's done. Now we have to pass the path and bundle, right? All right. Okay, so here we add a null check guard let else return self. Okay, otherwise it will return the English itself, right? Or whatever is the default language. Okay, here also we need we just add this into our guard statement. Okay, so all done. Now we just have to come here and here string localized as a language code. We call this as a en, right? First of all, let's check with en, and we have to make sure, like if we are converting this text, it will be similar to this. So I'll copy and paste again to recheck it, right? Okay, so what's an error? Okay, it requires a development team. Okay, 1 minute, let me connect here with our simulator. Okay, so it's installing. Cool. Here if you can see in the finder, you will see a code with en.l project and pa.l project, right? So let's check here. Okay, right now it's a hello Amrinder in English. Now pa. Okay, and run it. Okay, cool. So now it localized into a Punjabi language, right? So whatever in which language you want, you just have to add in the project info and just add here first, then create a file, then you just have to click on this tick button, right? And then you will get like this. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this. If you like this, please do subscribe my channel, and for future videos you will get updates very soon. And if you have any query, then please add your comment. I will try to make your answer, right? Thank you for watching.